Morning everybody. Today we're going to make a camp axe, a hunting axe, hatchet, however you want to call it. Today I'm going to start out with one of my ulu blanks. It's not sharp, just cut out. And we're going to have a little piece of conduit just laying around. So what you want to do is you measure out the back on the blade. Measure that with a marker, then take a grinder with a cutting wheel, and you're going to cut down through there that whole space. So when you're done, you got a nice slice in it, and then your blade should fit right in there, and you end up with, looks like medieval. When you get it sharpened up, it's going to cut just your kindling, something to start fire with. You cut the ribs out of a bear if you're in the field, or however you want to use it, but just something nice to have that you made. So now that we got this cut, we're going to sharpen this blank up. We're going to probably few passes on both sides. You want to get it about the thickness of a dime. You don't have to take much off it. And then we're going to heat treat it, and then we're going to put a final edge on it. So let's do a little grinding. Okay, so she's down about the thickness where we want it. So now what we're going to want to do is to heat treat this. You don't have to. I do. And you're going to want your oil. Now, you want to be careful. As you can imagine, that is hot. Now we're just going to dip the blade, because that's all we heated up was the edge. Make sure you got a big enough bucket. Okay. And we're going to wipe it off. So now we're just going to let this sit outside for a few minutes and let that cool down some more. And then we'll get right back at it. Okay, through the wonders of video, it was probably 20 minutes, half an hour, this cooled down. So now what we're going to do is you still got, it's almost there, but you want to put this together first so you don't have any accidents. So you slide it back together. I mean, you can drill it, or you can spot weld it. I'm going to try spot welding it. We'll see how this works. If you're going to drill it, use a drill press. This hard steel, and you probably smoke through some drill bits. So let's try this. Alright, we'll try to put some spot welds on here. Good. See what happens. Just spot weld. If you're going to run a bead, make sure you wear glasses, lenses. I'm just going to spot weld. I probably should wear them anyways, but you know what, I think I am going to run a bead. not a professional by any means. So what we're going to now, we're going to let this set, let that cool down, but it's getting there, and we'll be back. Okay, and we're back. It's all cooled down enough to handle. So what I'm going to do now is to wire brush the slag, and I'm going to throw another edge on this and then sharpen it with a thin file. So let's have at it. Okay. So now we're gonna put a nice little edge on it. The fine file. Alright. So there we go. Now I'll probably take, I don't know, some old bootlaces, maybe some paracord, run it around the handle just for a little grip. Is this sharp enough to shave the hair off your arm? Probably not. Am I going to try it? No. But a scrap piece of wood, that's basically what you need. Throw that on the fire, get fire going, take out some ribs, and you can keep touching it up if you want, get it sharper and sharper, but that's, you know, plenty sharp enough for what I'm going to use it for. I hope you like the video and try to make one yourself. Just safety first. Nothing worth getting hurt over. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video.